Excellency Mohamed B.S. Jallow, Vice President of the Republic of the Gambia, Honorable Dr. Mamadou Tangara, Minister of Foreign Affairs, Honorable Professor Aliou Sow, Minister of Culture and Historic Heritage, Honorable Babougal Ismaila Diouf, Minister of Trade, Mr. Abdoulaye Balde, Director of Apex, Mr. Ousseynou Senghor, CEO of GAIPA, senior government officials from both the Gambia and Senegal, entrepreneurs, excellencies, the media, my colleague ambassadors, especially Bassirou Sen, the Senegalese ambassador to the Gambia. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon. First, I would like to extend my sincere thanks and appreciation to His Excellency Adama Barrow, President of the Republic of the Gambia, and His Excellency Macky Sall, President of the Republic of Senegal, for giving their blessings and support towards organizing the first Gambia-Senegal Economic Trade and Investment Forum and Exhibition Fair in Dakar. I wish to convey my heartfelt gratitude and appreciation to Apex for accepting to co-organize this important event, the first of its kind, first Gambia-Senegal Economic Trade and Investment Forum with the High Commission of the Republic of the Gambia in Dakar. Which is geared towards promoting trade and investment opportunities between the two countries. I also wish to extend my appreciation to each and every one of you for taking time out of your busy schedules to attend this event, and I welcome you all. The High Commissioner's effort in organizing this event indeed demonstrates our commitment to promote trade and investment opportunities between the Gambia and Senegal and further strengthen and expand the cordial relations that already exist between the Republic of the Gambia and the Republic of Senegal. It is important to highlight that since the advent of the Second Republic in the Gambia, the two countries have made great achievements in deepening the brotherly ties which our two heads of state, His Excellency President Adama Barrow and His Excellency President Macky Sall, have been very committed to. The commitment pursued by the two countries has resulted in the signing of various cooperation agreements which are currently being implemented for the benefit of the two countries. I am honored that this first edition of the Gambia-Senegal Economic Trade and Investment Forum is being held during my tenure as the Gambia High Commissioner in Senegal. The forum aims at strengthening the economic and trade cooperation between the Gambia and Senegal, and it will provide an opportunity to present both countries as an ideal trade and investment destination to the Senegalese and Gambian companies. The forum further provides a platform to discuss on transport and logistics issues faced by businesses and transporters for both countries. The maiden event further aims to promote the Gambia in Senegal in showcasing the Gambian culture, trade and investment in Senegal. The Gambia Day further promotes people-to-people relationship. The two countries in strengthening the long-standing bilateral ties between the Gambia and Senegal. The active participation and vulnerable contribution of both the Gambia and the Senegal in this maiden forum indeed demonstrates our strong commitment to the enduring partnership between our two countries. The Gambia and Senegal have enhanced solidarity and strengthened friendship and mutual trust. Partnership like this is built on the principles of shared value, shared ownership, and mutual benefit. Dwelling on this year's theme, strengthening Senegambia brotherhood from formality to simplicity, it is indeed a clear indication of the intention of this strategic partnership. The cooperation between the Gambia and Senegal is already in a new era, and it will see even a brighter future with more prospects based on mutual benefit. The Gambia is making efforts at diversifying its economy in order to ensure more inclusive and progressive growth. In this regard, we continue to encourage Senegalese companies, entrepreneurs, and financial institutions to invest in the Gambia, especially in the manufacturing sector, to support industrialization, the agriculture sector, to ensure food security and tourism sector, to create employment opportunities for the youth and eradicate poverty. We therefore welcome Senegalese companies to explore the possibility of developing economic zones in various regions in the country, and we also welcome more Senegalese tourists to visit the Gambia. This will enhance people-to-people exchanges, as we know that the Gambia is endowed with enormous tourist attractions. I have no doubt in my mind that this first edition of the Gambia-Senegal Economic Trade and Investment Forum will yield benefit geared towards the development of the two peoples. In conclusion, I wish to take this opportunity to express on my own behalf and the entire staff at the Gambia High Commission in Dakar, Senegal, a heartfelt appreciation to Honorable Dr. Mamadou Tangara, Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Gambia, and his staff at the ministry for their support towards the event. I also wish to express our sincere gratitude to Honorable Professor Aliou Sow, Minister of Agriculture and Historical Heritage of Senegal, and his entire staff for their support and contribution towards the organizing of this event. We would also like to recognize the efforts of the Honorable Minister of Tourism and Culture of the Gambia, Eji Ahmad Ba, and his staff towards the event. We also recognize the presence of the Senegal-Gambia Secretariat and the moral and inspirational support they have offered to make this event a success. A special appreciation further goes to the Director General of APEX, Mr. Abdoulaye Balde, and his entire staff for accepting to co-organize these events. Their valuable contribution towards the organization of this event fully demonstrates their commitment towards strengthening trade and investment between the two countries. The APEX team have been working tirelessly with us day in, day out, and we appreciate the efforts. We also recognize the vulnerable contribution of the Chief Executive Officer of GAIPA, Mr. Ousseynou Senghor, and his staff for their support and contribution towards the event, as well as the Ministry of Trade of the Gambia. The working relationship of the technicians from both the Gambia and Senegal towards the preparation of this event was fantastic. This is wisdom, and their actions are a true reflection of a Senegambia relationship. I would like to thank all the companies, both in the Gambia and Senegal, that have contributed towards the success of this event. Your generous contribution is highly appreciated. Last but not the least, I extend my heartfelt appreciation to my able staff at the Gambia High Commission in Dakar for being very supportive throughout the process. I recognize all sacrifices. On our part, I can assure you that the Gambia High Commission in Dakar stands ready to support all aspects of enhancing the bilateral relations between our two countries. And I have my doors open to inquiries, knowledge exchange, and visits that will further develop this laudable initiative. We also encourage APEX and GAIPA to continue to deepen cooperation with the High Commission of the Gambia in Dakar and the promote bilateral economic and trade communication, facilitate investment visits, as well as share economic and trade information for the mutual benefit of all. I would also like to recognize the presence of the Agriculture Minister. His presence is really valuable here, because as I stated in the statement, that we would like to see that linkage also in agriculture between our two countries. On that note, I look forward to a fruitful collaboration and cooperation between the Republic of the Gambia and Senegalese enterprise, and I wish all participants a successful forum. Long live Senegambia. Thank you. Thank you.